begin with my video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Hello everyone, welcome to Fashion For You. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make bell sleeves or circular flounce sleeves. These sleeves are trending almost for everything these days, maybe a kurti or jacket or a dress. So let's get started. I'll only fold the fabric up to the width I require. Here I require 8 inches of fabric, so I'm only folding 8 inches because the armhole length is 7.25 inches, so that extra will be seam allowance. Now I'll start drafting the sleeves. To draft these kind of sleeves, I'll take the measurement till my elbow. The measurement till my elbow is 11 inches. I'll add 1 inch for the seam allowance for both the sides, so I'll mark on 12 inches. Then I'll take 3 inches from this point and I'll make a mark. From this point I'll take 7.25 inches down the line and make a mark. Now here I'll mark half of my elbow circumference, so this measurement depends on your size. For me it comes out to be 5 inches. Now I'm gonna join these 2 points and then I'll draw a curve here for armhole. I'm going to cut this now. From this remaining fabric, I'm going to cut a straight strip on which I'll make gathers later and then attach to the sleeves. I'll divide this strip in 2 parts so that I can apply it on both the sleeves. I'll take the sleeves now. First of all, I'll make a temporary stitch line on the edge with 0 tension, and then I'm going to stretch this stitch line to make gathers. I've made a stitch line here. I'm going to pull this thread now to make the gathers. This is really a slow process and you have to do it carefully. At the end, the size of sleeve opening and strip should be same. Now I'll start it stitching. After stitching, it is looking like this. Now these same steps I'm going to repeat for other sleeve. Then I'll attach these both sleeves to the dress. While attaching the sleeves, make sure to match center of sleeves and that of dress. In the last process, I'll make hemline on the sleeves. This is one way of making bell sleeves or flounce sleeves. There are multiple other ways. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe button. I'll be back with a new video soon. Bye bye for now. See you next time.